Hey, how's it going? Thank you for stopping by, checking out my YouTube channel. If you're checking out my YouTube page, please like, comment, share, and subscribe. This is an embarrassing video that I had to share. So if you're thinking about flying your drone inside, watch this video.
It's that heat, boy.
What the fuck? Drone. Stitches. Sons of bitches. Alright, well, I told you it was embarrassing, so you're probably like, what the hell? What did you do? Here you go. So I'm getting ready to go on vacation to Mexico. Yeah, the day before I leave. It's actually like about 11 o'clock at night. My cousin's over because she's going to house sit. And I'm telling her about my drone. I'm packing it up to bring it to Mexico. Hey, if you want information on bringing your drone to Mexico and all that jazz, I'm going to make another video about that because that's a topic in itself. Back to the subject. So anyway, so I started up. I raised it up. And this is a Karma, so it uses Google Maps to have its longitude and latitude so that it knows itself a direction. I raise it up, it's coming up fine, and then all of a sudden it starts veering off to the left. So I counter steer to the right, and it just starts acting crazy. So I bring it all the way down, it goes down, boom, it stops, it lands, and then just starts rising again. So I go to make it go back down, and it's boop, an error message pops up on the screen. It says it's lost GPS. So it no longer knows longitude and latitude. It's basically thrown off. It doesn't know a sense of direction because I'm inside like an idiot. So what do? I push down and I think, oh, I can slide my finger in the center and I can hit the power button. So as it started coming up, I pushed it down and guess what? It worked. It shut it off, but it caught me. So it actually, in the video, you could see it hit this tip of my finger. It actually cut like the tip of my finger off of these two fingers. So yeah, they're a little more, I guess, squared now. It just sliced the tips of these off like whack. But then my thumb right here, so you see that scar now? You got me. But yeah, see it? The little line in there. But what's crazy is this was like a while ago now, and even to this day, it's obviously healed. But if I rub my finger like this, it tingles all the way up here, and it tingles all the way down here, and all the way down into my wrist like this. So all I was doing is this. You know that like tingling sensation you get when your foot falls asleep like that? That's exactly how it feels. It's so weird. So I got stitches. My wife says, "Oh my God, you need to go to the hospital." I don't need to go to the hospital, so I'm just gonna put a Band-Aid on it. She was pissed. Like, you're supposed to be packing, and here you are playing with your drone. You know, the last thing you want to do is go to Mexico and get an infection and blah blah blah. I'm like, all right. So honestly, I went to the hospital just to shut her up. I didn't think I was gonna get stitches. I didn't think it was that bad. Apparently, it was cut down to the bone. So I did need stitches. And what's crazy is they actually asked me flat out, like right away, it's just a workman's comp issue. Were you hurt at home? Were you hurt at work? Um, so that way, like, the insurance is not going to cover it. Like, they go after my work. And I'm like, no, that was just an idiot and hit myself on a drone. But yeah. So if you're thinking about flying a drone inside, don't do it. It's stupid. It's dumb as hell. And you probably see people on YouTube all the time doing it. Yeah, well, guess what? How many times are you using Wi-Fi in your house? I mean, it's not Wi-Fi, just the internet in your house. Well, yeah, even Wi-Fi. Let's just say you're using the Wi-Fi in your house, and all of a sudden you get to an area that sucks. Well, hello, that's because the signal's not traveling well. There's something interfering, or same thing with your cell phone service. So if that thing all of a sudden just wigs the hell out because it doesn't have good signal, who knows what the hell it's gonna do? It could fly through your window. It could. Man, that was my finger. Imagine if there was like somebody around and it like smacked him in the face. If that thing sliced me down all the way down to my bone, man, if that thing hit you in the face or hit you in the eye, that could have been extremely, extremely bad. So, if you're thinking about flying your drone inside, don't do it. It's not worth it. If you see somebody else that's actually going to be trying to fly their drone inside, or they want to show you inside, say, hey man, let's just step outside. My 2 cents, man. Stupid being reckless. Thought it was cool to show somebody something. It could have turned out really bad. Couple stitches. Chicks dig scars. I already got a wife, so it's not helping me, right? But yeah, it could have turned out really bad. And fortunately for me, it just was more of an embarrassing. It was pain in the ass in Mexico, so I had to wear those stupid band-aids with clear things over it so water don't get on it. And, but whatever, I survived. But the point is, don't do it. Learn from my mistakes. Don't be an idiot like this guy right here. So thanks for watching. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Feel free to leave me comments saying you're an idiot, Rick, or damn, I was gonna do that. Maybe now I won't. Take it easy. Thanks for watching.